If you don't know how to remove the lower control arm on your Volvo, this video is for you. How to do it, what type of tools to use, it's pretty simple. Please take a second to subscribe to the channel, very appreciated that. Let's get started. Volvo is up, lug nuts removed, 19mm. Guys, if you don't have a power tools, remove the axle bolt before you lift the vehicle. Okay, let's take the 15mm CV axle bolt off. Here we go. Alright, now we have two bolts to remove on the bottom of the steering knuckle to the lower control arm. Let's do those guys. Another smart Volvo design. I sprayed penetrating oil before. Okay, now let's separate ball joint from the knuckle. Like that. Start it with one side and go to another side. I'm using a couple flat screwdrivers and here you go. Simple as that. You wanna ball joint get attached to the lower control arm. Okay, let's pry the lower control arm down and separate it from the wheel knuckle. Push the CV axle in and good time to check the ball joint. Be careful not to damage the rubber boot. Okay, CV axle is out. Now we're going to do the bolts, but let's put the axle up a bit, out of the way. Okay, and bottom engine cover, let's remove that. 18mm wrench and socket. Let's remove the back bolt holding the control arm to the engine subframe. That one is out. Okay, 17mm socket. There's two bolts. Let's remove those ones. At the front of the lower control arm, there's a horizontal bushing. One is a vertical, another one horizontal. See, bolt won't come out, just leave it like that. Let's do the front one. Same way. Bolt is out. Nice and easy. Okay, let's pry the lower control arm out at the front. Let's just put a bungee cord and keep our CV axle up above. Let's pull the lower control out completely, guys. Volvo, lovely car. I know lots of you like that vehicle, want to make it run forever. Let's check the bushings, ball joints, and next video coming pretty soon, how to replace those bushings without the press. Like press it down, press it in. Yeah, as you can see, this one's torn, and I'm already having the alignment done on the vehicle. New bushings, new struts. It runs fantastic. Short video. I hope it will help someone. If it helped you, thumbs up, leave a comment. Critics, suggestions, concerns, put it down in the comment section below, guys. Subscribe to the channel. More interesting Volvo's videos are coming up. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye.